Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for a way to help support your hands and keep them nice and protective during your strength training? Well, I have found this awesome pair of gloves by Fit Active Sports, and there are so many things that I really love about them. One thing that I really love is that they have this ventilation, so there's less glove area on the top of your hand, which helps me so much because I am a sweater and my hands will absolutely get overheated if I have gloves on. So I really love that my hands can breathe. I also love that not only is it a glove, but it's also wrist support. So it's got a really nice thick wrist strap that's helping my wrists as well when I am weightlifting. The design of this has so much cushioning right where you need it. So in your palms and at your fingers as well. The fabric too on the palm of these gloves, not only is it cushioned, but it also has like these little grippy spots too. So just overall, it's really helping you to get a good grip on the weight, especially when I'm gripping the bar or I'm gripping the weights. I find that it really helps to have that extra cushioning. I was definitely getting some bad calluses on my hands, but now they're nice and protective thanks to these gloves. I have them in the size medium and I find that they fit perfectly. I love that that wrist strap has Velcro, so very easy to adjust. They're also quick to put on because you just slide your fingers into the finger holes there and then put the wrist strap on. And because of that extra ventilation, your hand isn't getting stuck in the glove or anything like that. They even were so thoughtful and put left and right tags right on the glove because it obviously doesn't look like your average glove. So that was really helpful for me to know exactly which hand I've got when I'm grabbing them quick at the gym. I think these gloves by Fit Active Sports are a great option to support your strength training. Check these out. I think you'll love them too, but that's just my point of view.